In this video, we are going to see how we can connect the Roblox account to a Discord account easily by following a simple method. So what we have to do is just click on the left hand corner on this little gear icon of yours, which says user settings. And under the user settings, we have this option of connections. Just go ahead and click on that. And if it says streamer mode is enabled and it doesn't show anything, make sure that streamer mode is turned off like this. Let's try that again. Click on connections and now we can easily see add accounts to your profile. All the major accounts are here, but if your Roblox account is not in the list, you can click on view more and whatever you want to connect it to, like Roblox, just click on that and it will launch an API to connect directly to your Roblox account. All you have to do is just enter your username and password to connect to your Roblox account and immediately it will be connected to Discord as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.